Have you heard the term dropshipping but simply don't know what it means? Or maybe you've heard and want to seize the opportunity to make money from dropshipping? Well, today we are talking all about dropshipping and how you can make money from anywhere in the world. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a method of retailing and e-commerce that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without having to buy any inventory. Dropshippers typically find dropship suppliers who are manufacturers or wholesalers, purchase dropships from them in the required quantities, then list these items for sale on their own website or other dropshipping stores like eBay and Amazon. The dropship supplier will ship each order directly to the customer's address when it is placed by the dropshipper, which means that you don't need your own warehouse space. All you need is an internet connection. Dropshipping is a great way to earn money because you don't need any capital. All dropshippers require are the dropship suppliers, which we have already covered, and an internet connection. That's it. You can start earning right away with no cost up front. This makes dropshipping one of the easiest ways to make money online. Dropshipping is great for dropshippers who don't have the funds to invest in a home inventory. No matter how much you make, dropship suppliers only charge dropshippers on an order-by-order basis. So, if your dropship investment remains under $500, which it likely will, then there are no upfront costs. You can be dropshipping with as little as a couple $100s. Dropshippers can earn full-time income by dropshipping. It has been shown that some successful dropship entrepreneurs are earning over $30,000 per month from their dropships alone, and these numbers will only continue to grow as they widen the range of products offered. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to make money online because dropship suppliers only charge dropshippers on an order-by-order basis. So, if your dropship investment remains under $500, then there are no upfront costs. You can be dropshipping with as little as a couple of $100s. So, how much money do dropshippers make? Dropshipping is a great way to earn money because dropship suppliers charge dropshippers an order-by-order basis. This means there are no upfront costs and you can start earning right away with no cost. Dropshippers' profits will be based on the total number of orders they receive. This also means that if you dropship anything with a high turnover rate, you will earn more money. Dropshippers can also leverage their dropshipping business to scale up and make lots of cash in the long term by scaling up. Dropshippers have been able to go from earning $1,000 per month all the way up to over $30,000 without taking on any outside investors. Starting up in dropshipping. Launching a dropshipping project and generating sales isn't as hard as you might think. You'll need to have dropship suppliers, a website or dropship store, and some basic marketing skills or knowledge of dropshipping marketing methods. Dropship suppliers provide products to dropshippers at wholesale prices, usually free of shipping costs. The first thing dropshippers usually do is create their dropship store. A dropship store can take many forms, from a WordPress template to a simple blog or website, where dropshippers advertise their dropshipping products and try to generate traffic. Generating an initial buzz about the dropshipping business can be done through social media, paid advertising on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or SEO, search engine optimization. Dropshippers also need to know how much profit they want on each item, and when inventory runs out, they'll need to calculate how much stock they have before ordering more from dropship suppliers. Dropshipping is a great way to earn money from anywhere in the world. The dropship business model has been around for decades, and it continues to be used by new entrepreneurs all over the world. Dropship products are items you find dropshipping suppliers that provide at wholesale prices. What products should I sell? The first thing you need once you have your dropship store created is a product catalog of various types of products. You can create a catalog by searching for common things like kitchenware on eBay and Etsy to ensure your site has good coverage with very little work. Generating an initial buzz about your business through social media will help bring in traffic and establish credibility. If you come across as an authority in the dropshipping business, your dropship store will be more trustworthy and people are more likely to buy from you. Product rotation. Rotating products is a great way for dropshippers to maximize their profits. Every time new inventory arrives at the dropship supplier's warehouse, dropshippers should order 1 or 2 of every product they dropship to make sure they don't run out of stock. The dropshipping business model has been around for decades, and it continues to be used by new entrepreneurs all over the world. If you want to earn money from dropshipping, there are 3 steps. Create a dropship store on your blog or website. Generate buzz about dropshipping products through social media and paid advertising. And know how much profit you want from each product before ordering new inventory from dropship suppliers. What dropshipping suppliers are the best? Oberlo, AliExpress, and Salehoo are 3 good starting places. There are many dropship providers to choose from, but these 3 dropshippers have been around for a while and provide great products at affordable prices. Oberlo, a plugin that lets you find items on AliExpress, Salehoo, dropship supplier with plenty of dropship products in a catalogue, and AliExpress, dropshipping supplier with dropship suppliers from all over the world. Link to these dropshipping companies can be found below in description. Is dropshipping scalable? One of the most important things dropshipping entrepreneurs need to decide is whether dropshipping is scalable. The dropship business model is fantastic for entrepreneurs who are trying to earn money around their other endeavors, but it does have its limitations. Dropshipping isn't scalable without investing time and resources into marketing. If dropshippers don't know how to market a dropship store or dropship products effectively, they will find themselves unable to grow and manage the business in an efficient way. This limitation has made dropshipping less popular than dropship suppliers would like to be. As more people are looking for ways to generate income online, dropshipping seems unlikely to take off as quickly as many dropship suppliers had hoped. Is dropshipping for you? Dropshipping isn't for everyone, and it certainly isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you're willing to take the good with the bad, then it can be a great opportunity. You might have reservations like these. I'm interested in starting a business, but I don't know how much time it will take. I don't want to risk losing my job. What if I spend a lot of time and money only to be unsuccessful? When thinking about starting a business, it's normal to be apprehensive, but don't let fear stop you. If you think dropshipping might be the right path for earning more money and finding freedom, jump in. Dropshipping is not just a way to earn money online. Dropshipping can also be profitable since dropshippers don't have to pay for overheads and production. Not only are dropshippers able to make more money, but dropshipping websites are also able to make more money on dropship sales. In most cases, dropshippers are able to be successful in dropshipping by specializing in one type of product and linking their niche products with different suppliers. By limiting the use of suppliers, it makes it more likely for dropshippers to profit. Dropshippers are free from some of the financial burdens that other businesses typically face when starting out. One of these burdens is inventory carrying cost, which dropshippers are not responsible for. The best way to get a feel of dropshipping is by trying it out yourself, so you can see if dropshipping will work with your niche and what type of products will receive the most profit. It takes time and effort to research which suppliers offer dropshipping services in order to find the best dropshipping niche for you. So, let us know your experience and whether you're going to try dropshipping in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe so we can make more weekly videos on how to earn money online.